Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear your RAM cache memory. Let's do this simple method. First, let me show you the cache memory of my RAM. Right click on taskbar and click on task manager. Select performance and click on memory. Here you can see my RAM cache memory is too high, 1.9 GB. How to clear it? Follow these steps. Open your Chrome browser and type here rammap. When it opens, click on rammap. Then click on download rammap. When it's done, click on show in folder. Rammap download in zip file. Right click on it and extract file. Select your location and click OK. Here you can see rammap is downloaded successfully. Double click on it, right click on rammap and click on run as administrator. Accept yes and click on agree. When this type of window is open, click on taskbar and select task manager. Here you can see currently my RAM cache memory is 2.7 GB. When I am clear it, you can see how to goes down. Click on empty and click on empty standby list. Here you can see how to down my cache memory. By this method, you can clear cache memory very easily. When you feel your cache memory goes high, repeat these steps to clear your RAM cache memory. Thank you so much for watching.